Hey guys, in this video I will be talking about text editors. Now in my last video we used a built-in Notepad application or equivalent to create our very first website, which is here. Now the website we made only had a couple of lines of code, so it wasn't too difficult to see with Notepad. However, when we're creating a real website, the amount of code we need to write will be a lot, and often over 100 lines. Then, because all the text will be in black and all the fonts will be all the same, it makes it really difficult to read and write. Here's a small demonstration of a couple of lines of code I was writing for a website to see the difference. On the left you see the default text editor for Mac, and on the right you see a text editor which is good for web programming. Now just ignore anything you don't understand because you don't need to know it yet. This is PHP, which is far from what you're going to learn at the moment. But hopefully you'll see that with more lines of code it just gets really difficult to read. Now I've opened the same files on a different program, and this one looks really easy and colourful to read. Or really colourful and easy to read, isn't it? This text editor automatically highlights, changes fonts and colours of tags and all the other stuff so that it's easy to read. This is called syntax highlighting, and whenever you are doing any form of programming, I highly recommend you to use a text editor that supports syntax highlighting. Now, since most of you have Windows, I assume, I will show you a completely free text editor I recommend for Windows. It's called Notepad++. If you have knowledge of some maths in programming, you'll get it, but the ++ at the end just means add 1 in programming. So basically, Notepad++ is similar to the default Notepad, but with +1 more features, hence the name. Even though I say +1, Notepad++ has significantly more features than the default Notepad, and is highly recommended to download. I have put the download link in the description, and all you have to do is download the installer and click yes a couple times. To find it, just Google search Notepad++. There we go, there's the website. Go to downloads and download the installer. Now, for some of the Mac users out there who are watching this, and I'm going to assume that there are a couple out there, the best Notepad++ alternative, so a free text editor which supports syntax highlighting, which I recommend, is called TextWrangler. It's the program I used there. Again, I have put the download link in the description, so all you have to do is download it and install it like any other program. Google TextWrangler, there is Barebones software, TextWrangler, click on that and click download wherever it is. How do I get TextWrangler? Download TextWrangler, here, there we go, easy. Now I won't waste 3-4 minutes of your time showing you the step-to-step guide of downloading and installing a program because I assume that everybody knows these things. But if you have any questions, please leave a comment in the video and I'll definitely answer them. Now that you have a really good text editor installed, you're all geared up to start your adventure in web programming. In the next tutorial, we will finally start learning HTML. The learning curve for any programming language is the same. It's a bit steep at first, but when you've passed it, it's really easy and super fun. HTML is one of the easiest languages to learn, so relax, have fun, practice, and you'll get everything in no time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.